All right, everyone, this is a quick recap for February 8th, 2022, starting off with the Nasdaq daily. The bottom filter crossed the zero line. This is setting up for a nice rally in the days ahead, guys. Once it crosses the zero line, we've got support from the long term and also institutional flow, and it's right above the support of 410. I can see this trending up, moving up in the days to come. So keep an eye on this. This is going to be very important to observe in the coming days, and look out for a possible rally in the Nasdaq 100 as well. As far as the 5-minute goes, guys, well, today we had very spotted areas of consolidation as represented by the white candles right here. Market is setting up to eventually go down according to what I see right here on the 5-minute. The real action took place over here in the regular AI-driven algo right here. In the AM session, the algo caught a 246 point move to the upside. Massive move. I took really good profits in the morning from this trade to the upside, which started around 10:30 in the morning and just ended right around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So very nice run to the upside in the morning right here with this algo. And then in the afternoon session, we almost saw a continuation of the sell-off right here, which started at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I took a position right here. I took a position right here on the short side with about 5 contracts to the short side, and everything was going very, very, very nice. When I started to see this, I was really excited and, oh wow, this is going fantastic. Then all of a sudden it hit the support level right here. But what ended up happening is a couple of things, which is a confluence of things that happened. We started getting bombarded with all this news coming out of Washington right about this time right here. But also, if I look at the 30-minute time frame here, on my 30-minute, I had a precise signal to have exited the trade 1 bar sooner right here. Also, all my filters on the subgraph right here were pointing to the upside. Now, if you notice this red vertical trace, that's exactly the bar that reversed and went up right there. And if you notice, the signal was 1 bar prior to the reversal on the 30-minute time frame right there. Now, all signals in the bottom coincided with that. I should have taken the trade and completed this phase of the trade by exiting right here. This is the same bar you just saw on the 30-minute right here that actually reversed. Why? Because it was 3:15 in the afternoon. And at 3:15 in the afternoon, to actually get a reversal back down to the downside, well, I mean, how many periods of 15 do you have between 3:15 and the close? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 periods, right? So the chances of this coming back, guys, and rolling all the way down were like, kind of iffy because of the time of day. I stood in the trade simply because the algo has it's programmed to flag areas of noise out, okay? And this could have been an area of noise right here. And since we were getting a lot of headline news, and the 1 hour time frame was also indicative of more downside, I said to myself, you know, this may just be noise. And since the algo has a tendency to flag out noise, I'm going to wait to see what happens on this candle right here. So I decided to stay in the trade and exited the trade right around this candle when I actually got the buy signal right there, and that was the end of it right there. I ended up with about $1,000 loser on this right here, about $1,100 or so I think it was, and that was the end of it right there. So that happens sometimes in the afternoon session. You'll get news or something that happens. Hindsight is I should have taken into consideration the fact that it was 3:15 in the afternoon and I had gotten a signal the bar before right there to get out. That was my clear tell sign right there, and I completely forgot that it was 3:15 in the afternoon. And this happens when you're trading all day, and this would have been the exit signal, the correct exit, before it just ran back on me that way. So hey, hindsight's 20/20. No harm, no foul. Did make great profits in the morning on that upside run, and that's the long and the short of what we have today and the summary of the action in less than 5 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow at 12:30 Eastern Time again.